I'm Annette Broughton from Soddy Daisy Middle School.
Stacy Higgins, Soddy Daisy Middle.
What do you guys teach?
CTE, computer science, and ELAC.
And your students learned about Learning Blades AI today and also did sub-letter writing. Tell us about your students' experiences today.
Absolutely. It was a great experience. I love the students got to think about what, as people do, careers in submarines. They got to write on paper their feelings and ask questions. The curriculum of the Learning Blade was phenomenal, gave great insight into the career. I don't know, what did you think about it?
I thought it was very engaging. We got to learn about AI in one of the classes, which they asked me a lot of questions about, so we can always go back to the Learning Blade videos and look at that, and then the articles that they had on there, and it was good to watch them succeed at it with their little stars on there that they got.
Yeah, it's definitely on the pulse
Yes.
of what's going on in society right now.
And in the end, what did you feel like? Were you surprised by some of the letters your kids wrote?
Absolutely.
What surprised you?
This thing. Well, for one, this one letter right here, for instance, she just came up with this on the fly, some very intuitive questions to ask because she went over the Learning Blade information, and then I think gathered from that and was able to write a letter that was pretty
Yeah.
cool letter.
Yeah.
So I think, and to get answers from those.
And they
that's
had a
kind of-
personal aspect to it too. They related it to their it was real life situations,
Mm-hmm.
relevant, and then just engagement. That's I
Yeah,
keep
something
going
different.
back to engagement. with
Something
it.
different, something they learned, but they were able to put a personal stamp on it, and they have some excitement by getting some answers back, possibly, which is pretty cool.
100%.
And I love what we could see on our end as a teacher. The data
Absolutely.
was wonderful to see how engaged they were and how they were going along and making those.